I think more than probably any other team that's bought from MudBots, we did due diligence. When we came here to MudBots University, we brought 9 people, experts from all over the country, and then having them fly in and out during training to meet our print team, to hang out together, and to figure out they're readjusting their blueprints that they drew on the way here right now because they see the capability of the printer. We've had the former city building director here while we were training. We have 2 engineers here, an architect here.
What are your numbers when you say less cost? 2% less?
Yeah, we think about 40% less than our typical cost of stick-built construction. Expect to get dirty, expect for things to be hard. Week 1, week 2, we're like figuring out how to put things together and really learning the process.
Does it get better as time goes on and confidence goes up?
Confidence goes up. We're
systems?
Getting the hang of things, making decisions on our own. This is our last week. We've got architects, engineers here. Our guys are making mistakes and then comfortable fixing them. You can see it on the print.
Yep.
A rough start and then an awesome print.